A new student organization started last month, the University of Iowa Society of Vegans.
I started being vegan about almost 2 years ago now. Um, I was a vegetarian for about 2 years or 1.5 years before that. When I was coming to college, I decided that I'd just try the vegan thing and see how it went, and I just stuck. Definitely eating in the dorms was really annoying because really not much vegan stuff and it doesn't really taste good anyway. So, like, just feel kind of limited. And going out to eat sometimes can be hard, especially if there's not that many options. But overall, there's definitely more good to it than bad. I really like the Trumpet Blossom Cafe. That's the only purely vegan place in town. Um, and there they have something called the Vegan Florentine, which I think is really good. But there's a lot of places around Iowa City where it might not be a completely vegan place, but they have a lot of options. Like Oasis is a good one. It's good to have like an actual formal group that's trying to like spread the message of cutting out animal products to people that otherwise wouldn't have like thought of it.
Today I'm talking to Gregory Carmichael about veganism and how it affects our environment.
I'm a professor of chemical and biochemical engineering. I do research in atmospheric chemistry, climate, and air quality, and I co-direct this Center for Global and Regional Environmental Research, where we work on problems of how people, through the way we live our lives, impact the atmospheric and the global environment.
So one of those impacts is global warming, and some speculate that one of the contributing factors to global warming is the meat industry. How does that affect our environment?
Well, certainly global warming is human-induced. We release greenhouse gases from a variety of activities, but certainly an important component is food supply. Takes energy to fertilize. It takes energy to grow corn, to feed. You know, the fact of the matter is that worldwide, many countries are moving not in the direction of, eating more vegetables, but actually moving in the direction of adding much more meat to their diet. China's a great example of that. As they prosper, they are eating much more cattle, and then you get into areas like Brazil, where there's lots of dynamic, but things are being displaced. So now you see cattle and moving into the Amazon rainforest, so they're clearing the rainforest. Yeah, I mean, I think that there's been studies conducted that clearly moving to a vegetarian and then, taking it further to a vegan diet would be a significant reduction in the greenhouse gases and could actually buy us time or actually avoid the most dangerous problems of global warming, plus probably have a healthier lifestyle.